The Office of Utilities Regulations, OUR, today advised that Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, customers who are currently receiving service will see a 7% increase in their December bills for November's consumption.
The reasons for the increase were provided in a release today, but as you'll hear in this report, the OUR insists the objective is to ensure gradual, manageable recovery while avoiding additional bill shock for customers.
According to the Office of Utilities Regulation, this adjustment was anticipated as JPS had to rely on more expensive fuel sources for generation because natural gas was unavailable in the period leading up to and immediately after Hurricane Melissa. The OUR says that among other things, the hurricane resulted in approximately 30% reduction in sales, which contributed significantly to the increase in the fuel and independent power producers' IPP rates. It adds that together these factors could have translated to a big hike in the 2025 November bills. However, to avoid bill shock to customers, JPS, in consultation with the OUR, has opted to defer some of the increase in fuel and IPP costs and recover it by spreading it over the upcoming months. As such, the average residential customer who consumes 165 kilowatt per hour per month would see a bill adjustment of approximately $655 on the previous bill of about $9,000. The OUR says, given the scale of the disaster, it may take up to 6 months for electricity generation costs to stabilize and for energy consumption to normalize. Given the likelihood that further adjustments could cause bill shock to customers, the OUR has urged JPS to discuss the IPP and fuel charges with the OUR before they are applied over the next 6 months. The OUR has emphasized that the objective is to ensure gradual, manageable recovery while avoiding additional bill shock for customers.